This is POCO X5 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can achieve the higher level of details in the default camera app of this device. So that's a very simple procedure to execute. You just gotta enable or take photos in the 48 megapixels mode, which you can do by, well, the option that I had actually disappeared. So perhaps, yep, you gotta enter the Pro mode, leave all those values at their automatic state, and tap at the 48 digit over here. And now the 48 megapixels Ultra HD mode is on, as you could have seen by this message at the top. And now all the pictures that you'll take will be taken in the 48 megapixels resolution, thus granting you a way more detailed shot than you would have normally get. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.